Pharmacists taking deliveries of the Pfizer vaccine are getting a pleasant surprise, as it turns out. There are up to 2 extra doses per vial, which the FDA says are safe to use. Errol Barnett was the first network correspondent to report on this. Kudos to Errol on that. Today, he's in Cleveland reporting from one of the city's hardest hit hospitals.
When Lieutenant Delmar Henderson escorted the Pfizer vaccine at Cleveland's Metro Health Hospital Wednesday, he knew he was part of something big.
This is a good day. This is history.
But even the pharmacist thawing and mixing the vaccine had no idea just how big a moment it would be.
I'm having trouble going even more than a few minutes today without crying.
Dr. Brooke Watts is the chief quality officer here and was among the first to realize there were more than the expected 5 doses of vaccine per vial.
The manufacturer, as we understand it, was trying to be particularly cautious. They wanted to make sure that each dose was full and there was room for error. But what we've learned from our colleagues around the state and country is that if you follow the manufacturer's directions very specifically, you actually have 6 full doses in each vial.
That means hundreds of additional doctors, nurses, and support staff like janitors and security can be protected against the virus.
It's a miracle.
Responding to CBS News, the FDA issued this statement, writing, quote, "It is acceptable to use every full dose obtainable, the 6th or possibly even a 7th from each vial." Meanwhile, Pfizer responded saying, "At this time, we cannot provide a recommendation on the use of the remaining amount of vaccine." And behind me, you can see hospital staff spending another 12 hours vaccinating everyone up right now, first responders. Now, all of this is happening while the hospital's COVID wing has 3 times as many patients right now as it did during the worst outbreak in the spring. And for those who celebrate, you'll know last night was the 7th night of Hanukkah, commemorating a time when 1 night's worth of oil lasted 8. And that's why for Dr. Watts, she said this dosage discovery is this hospital's Hanukkah miracle. Anthony?
Yeah, you sure can call it that, Errol. Thank you. That's great news, those additional doses, especially right now. Yeah.